Hello, everyone. Welcome to this platform. African Lioness TV here. If you are new here, welcome. Hit the red button to subscribe. Thank you for clicking. Like and share this video. Make it go viral. Guys, today's video we are going to discuss about Honorable Kemi, the Nigerian Kemi that was born in UK, United Kingdom. She was born there, and the parents, the doctors, after giving birth to her, the mother, they relocated back to Nigeria. And so the girl now grew up in Lagos. She was raised in Lagos, and she gathered a lot of experience growing up in Lagos. Okay, so all the things she saw, all the things she passed through, all the hardships she passed through, then they are still fresh in her memory. Okay, now this girl luckily is now the leader of the Conservative Party in the UK. Okay, now she have voice to air her view, her mind. All right, so the interview people are she is granting so many places. She's now exposing certain things inside her mind, all the things she passed through during when she was young, when she was growing up. Okay, now all those things are coming up. Okay, and this thing did not sit well with some of our politicians. Not all of them, some of them. It didn't sit well with them, because some of them want the girl to sugarcoat everything, cover their ass. She that she's doing this, she's not showing the Nigerianness in her. What is Nigerianness? When she will lie, you want her to lie to show the Nigerianness in her. So this girl, I'm going to play one of the latest videos she granted interview to the Oyibo journalist, and hear what this girl said about the Nigerian police. You see, it's no longer a hidden thing. It's no longer a hidden thing. Now you can run, but you cannot hide. You can see that now. Breeze don't blow now. That we don't see safe. Now the breeze don't blow. Their nyash they show. You see, fowl nyash don't show. Fowl nyash don't show as the breeze they blow. See, this girl now don't they expose everything she passed through, and now they want her to close her mouth, say she's not showing the Nigerianness in her. Which one be Nigerianness in her? I beg my people, make I leave una, make una watch or listen to wetin this girl go talk with her mouth. Listen to her and hear her. Drop your own comment too if you hear wetin she talk finish. If na lie she dey lie, let us know on the comment section. If na true she talk, abeg let us know on the comment section, because if all of us join hand like this, maybe these leaders go hear word. If say dem tell these leaders now, say, oh, something happen in Kaduna, something happen in the east, something happen in the west, they for never responded by now. They for never hear am. They go pretend like say they deaf, they know they hear. Yes, they know they hear all those ones. But this one wey Kemi talk all the way in UK, they don't already hear am, and they respond to her. You see am? So Nigerianness in her. No be only Nigerianness in her. Abeg my people, make I leave una, make una listen to her and let us know your own thought. Share your own thought, like and share. The best thing you go do for this video is to share the video, and also put a thumbs up on that video, so that it will start moving. Okay, it will go viral and get to them. Keep watching.
Do you trust the British police?
I do. But remember, my experience with the police in Nigeria was very negative, and coming to the UK, my first experience with the police was very positive. The police in Nigeria would rob us. So when people say, "Oh, I had this bad experience with the police because I'm black and they're white," I was like, "Well, I remember the police stole my brother's shoes and his watch."
His shoes?
Yeah, they took his shoes and his watch. It's a very poor country, so people do all sorts of things, and giving people a gun is just a license to intimidate. But that's not the bar we should use for British police. Obviously, it should be much higher. But my experience was so positive when I was burgled, for example. The police were there, very helpful. They eventually caught the persons. It's 2004, so 20 years ago, the police did catch, they did catch criminals. And now we've given them too much to do, in my view. So the police are the first line of defense for everything. And I think that burden makes it a lot harder for them to actually do the basics. And that's another thing that we need to look at.
Let's talk about some of the social issues.
When I don't hear them, hey, this one na from the horse's mouth. No be me talk am o. Na hear am say Nigeria police na ole. Hey, Aunty Kemi, abeg pity these people o. Abeg pity these people o, Honorable Kemi. Pity them o, if you because of the thing wey you pass through, hey, they no go see face pass for road o. All those people wey dem dey go borrow money, all this one wey dey talk now, the thing go block their borrowing o. They go say, na these people wey dey run to us every time, borrow me money, whereby they know they are lazy, very lazy people. All of them are lazy people wey dey call Nigerian youth lazy. If say Kemi dey for Nigeria now, Kemi for no reach where she reach today. They for don kpai her career. They for don kpai her ambition. They for don kpai her all her plans, all her agenda. You know, all the good agenda wey Honorable Kemi have. These people for don kpai am since. You see? They for don kpai her talent. See the kind talent wey this girl get. You see the talent? See where she reach. Because she left the shore of that country. You see am? Because she ran away according to her. She said she don't want the place she is to be like the place she ran away from. Hey! Chineke mere m ebere. Oh my God. Hey! Wahala, no be small wahala. Honorable Kemi. She said she don't want UK to be like the place she ran away from. And that's why she's working very hard for the next generation to enjoy. You see? But is it the same thing in Nigeria? You guys answer that question. Which one do you believe? Are you supporting Honorable Kemi now on what she's saying, or you are supporting Nigeria government that is reacting to what Honorable Kemi is saying? Which one do you believe? Anyone where you support, abeg, put am down on the comment section. Make we know. Make we share your own thoughts too. Okay? Yes, because your own thought is also important. So that everybody go learn. We learn from each other. Nigeria government go learn from Kemi. We too, we go also learn from Kemi and all of them. Whatever they are saying, we are listening. We dey here. Abi? We dey here, they listen. They watch what is going on, what is playing out. You don't tell where everybody they talk this thing. Say, make Nigeria good. Make them do Nigeria. Make you use Nigeria money. Fix Nigeria. Make everybody enjoy. Both small pikin and adult. These people no fit. No greed one. Now, the youth don't they grow. The youth don't japa. Some youth don't japa come out. Come become somebody outside. We never know other Honorable Kemi. Tomorrow we go come out. People wey go big pass her go come out tomorrow. You know, say there are still Nigeria people wey go japa, wey go reach this level or even pass her. So we don't know wetin those ones go be tomorrow. So that's why this Nigeria government, they think say they got everything on their hand. Now you don't see and say fowl breeze don't blow now. Fowl nyash don dey expose. Since now we don't know say Nigeria police dey thief. You see am, e don surface. They stole her brother's shoe and watch. You see am, those people need to be brought to book. They need to be brought to book. Let her help us expose the police station where this thing happen. Both the DPO, all of them wey dey for that police station need to be brought to book. You see am, maybe we go start with this our Kemi revelation. They can start to know wetin we and these Nigerian so-called leaders and their agencies, what they are doing, where they kpai the country. You see am? The country don dey kpai small small dey go. Small small dey go. Anywhere you mention the country, everybody on the run. See a whole somebody wey be say e get Nigeria blood, see wetin e dey talk about the country. See wetin e dey expose. Now they got the man, they have the gut to even respond to her. Instead of them to hide their faces in shame, they got the mind to even talk. Where people are talking, they are talking. Lazy leaders, lazy Nigerian leaders. Now they get mad, they call the youth lazy youth. If this girl dey Nigeria now, they go say she dey lazy, she no fit do anything, not knowing say her destiny na im dey go carry am put am under cupboard. But God don help the girl. She was born in Britain, for her to climb this height. Otherwise they for don kpai her talent. So let's continue guys, keep watching. Now tell these Nigerian leaders so make they stop responding to Kemi. Make they know they respond to Kemi, because Kemi never finish talking. Kemi never finish talking wetin she experience in Nigeria. The thing wey she dey talk na wetin she experience. So I no see reason why person go dey talk her life experience and people go dey vex like say you dey vex why she dey talk. She dey talk wetin she see, na she experience am. It's like pain now. When somebody dey have pain, only that person knows that pain wey e dey pass, how the intense of the pain, the weight of that pain, only her know am. So if she dey talk say see what she passed through when she was in Nigeria, and somebody is getting offended, wow, na that one na people no understand again. If you want her to lie, if they ask her what are your upbringing, life experience when you were growing up, na wetin she see na she go talk, and the thing no go look good for people eyes, especially the Nigerian politicians. E no go look good on their eyes, because the thing is exposing their nyash. You see am? The thing is exposing them, because when the girl said she growing up that she used candle light to read her books. Hey, when they gave her assignment in the school, she come home, there will be no light. She will be on blackout. You see? No light. What will she do? She will turn on a candle and use that candle to read. You see? Many people can relate to what she said and know that what she's saying is true. Who didn't do this? What she did now, who is a Nigerian that did not do what she did? What she's saying that she experienced in her childhood, growing up. And now some politicians are getting angry because she did not sugarcoat it. She said it as it is. Okay? Now they are saying, hey, Kemi, she can as well change her name. Why will she change her name? Her name is ABCD. It's not Nigeria that owns that ABCD. Kemi is spelled Kemi. And this is ABCD, right? It's not owned by Nigerians. Don't say that Kemi is Nigerian name. How? Is it not ABCD that is there? When somebody becomes somebody, that is when you will come and own the person up. Kemi is your own now. But all the years that Kemi has been in Nigeria, from the time her mom gave birth to her in United Kingdom and brought her back to Nigeria, from that time till 16 years, you didn't notice her. Because if you had done something or made a policy that affected her life positively, she will be praising everybody right now. That time, it's not this government that was in government then. We know. The government is a race. They pass the baton to the other one. This one will finish and pass the baton to the other friend. The other friend will pass to the other friend. the other friend will pass. Just that's how they are passing it. They say they are doing election. Not true. No be only election. You see am? So this girl is telling her life experience. Listen. Listen to this thing. Oh. This girl is telling her growing up in Lagos, what she experienced. She is the person that experienced it, and you cannot tell her that she is lying, because many people can still relate. If you say she's lying, prove her wrong. At least if it is the light on electricity, that street where that girl was brought up, please, can we start from that one? Go to that street in Lagos now, in Surulere, and check if there is light on that street. If people on that particular street where she was raised, if they have permanent light, that is what is paining her. Because many Nigerian children are like that. Many Nigerian children are like her. Many talents have been pie. A lot of talents have been pie, whereby you won't even notice that such person have such talents. If Kemi did not run back to UK, she said she don't want UK to be like the place she run away from. Chai. The highest water ever. Hey. She escaped from, if na medical people, they say the child escaped from the symphysis pubis of the mother. So Kemi escaped from the symphysis pubis of Nigeria, and that's why she don't wanna identify with anybody. Don't blame her. Don't blame her. I'm not blaming her. I'm not blaming her at all, because what she's saying, everybody is relating. Even those politicians that are replying her, they know that she's saying the truth. You see? They know. Just that they don't want to agree, say, it's true. They cannot, because they are sitting on top of the taxpayers' money. They are sitting on top of the treasury account. You see? Even if say those that are lazy, they are the ones that are lazy. You can't say that Nigerian youths are lazy. Okay? Nigerian youths all over the world, they are the best. Nigerian youths all over the world, go to the news and check. Go and check in the news. When they manage to survive that hardship in Nigeria and find themselves anywhere in the world, check the record. They are the best. It's only in Nigeria that they kill dreams. They buy dreams with their policy, unfavorable policies they are making for themselves, to enrich themselves and their immediate families and the unborn children. Because the money that they're supposed to use now to put electricity, put road network, put tap water, put everything, Nigeria has the money, because this is oil-rich country, and they are harnessing the oil. It's not that they are not harnessing it. They harness that oil and they push it abroad. Some they get the money back. Some, I don't know if they get the money back or not. Some even print new money and push it to abroad and dump it in one of the banks, so that when the person come out of office, him and his unborn children will be on top of money. And when the person buy, then go carry some of the money, put inside in basket where you take the carry go. See that's why there was no light during the time Kemi was in Nigeria. And now you want her to lie. If you want to tell your life experience, you will say the truth. The girl is saying her life experience when she was a kid, when growing up, and when where she was raised in Lagos. She didn't say she was raised in Ibadan. She didn't say she was raised in Kaduna or Oyo or Abuja. You see, she said she was raised up in Lagos. So will she tell lies? No. In Surulere. And her parents were doctors. And she's lucky that she came from at least middle class family. You see? And her family is somehow related to one of the top politicians in Nigeria. You see? So let the girl talk. Oh, you people where they challenge this girl or where they reply her. Hey, una shame they shame me, and una pity they pity me. I dey tell una go learn in a hard way. If una no keep una mouth shut, leave this girl alone. Even if she dey talk, do like say you no hear am. If you see her where she dey talk, ikukuma on your own jejely waka pass, do like say you no even know her, not to talk of go and challenge or go and respond to her, because the thing wey she go still talk, e never talk am. Hey, because the one wey I hear this morning, where I hear where one oyibo lady dey interview her, she said the oyibo lady dey ask am say how was her experience with Nigeria police the time wey she dey in Nigeria. You need to hear wetin this Kemi talk. Hey, Jesus, water, the highest one. Hey, Kemi say that Nigeria police, the experience she had with them is a very negative one. That the experience she had with Nigeria police is a negative experience. That Nigeria police stole her brother's shoe and watch. Hey, this talk never reach where they go. You see why I tell una say leave Kemi, leave Honorable Kemi, leave her alone. If you see her where she talk, do like say you no see am. Waka pass, go to the next video, because the thing where she dey remember, she never remember everything. Oh, you know say this thing happen how many years? She's 44 years now. And this thing where she dey talk now something wey happen around 30 to 40 years ago, because for wey don top na her small toddler age. That time she fit never know where she dey. But from the time where she don dey know something small from at least age of 8 or so or 10, she don dey sabi say if you no get light na bad thing, and na government suppose give us light. She dey talk this thing, una dey go put mouth. The worst never come out of this girl mouth. So it's better make una do like say una no see am. If you see where her video dey, just waka pass, fling it away, bring another video. E better like that than to go watch her and get angry with what she said, and now you go fit go retaliate or react or respond. My hand no dey am o. Advice, I just dey advise una. My hand no dey o. Say una dey go respond to Kemi's talk. Make una leave her alone o. The water go pass the one wey you don give una already, because something wey spoil for that country e worse than this thing wey she dey talk o. You know, everybody know na abi. Nobody na visitor for that place, for that country, for this country, our country called Nigeria. Nobody na visitor. All of us, we dey inside there, and we know wetin dey go on. We know the truth. We know say all the things wey she dey talk say na true, and she never finish talking o. She's saying her, because there's no way they will ask her growing up, how is your life growing up? She will not come and say, the time I was growing up, we have 24 hours electricity, we have tap water was running everywhere, whereby people will go inside the people in Lagos, they enter inside gutter where pipe broke. They will enter there, because when water pipe broke, the water will be running inside the gutter where the pipe passed through. People will be fetching the water from the gutter, and if you turn on the tap, there will be no water will not be flowing. So they will end up fetching water. Everybody will queue and will fetching water right inside the gutter. And the government, they will carry their siren, oh, all those leaders. People will be inside that gutter, queue outside, waiting for their turn to fetch the water. You will see police or leaders with their convoy. They will be playing their pura 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 pa. Everybody go comot for road for them. Then go waka pass. They no go ask say this queue wey I see around this gutter, wey be say I no see any tap standing there, but people queue there, they carry water come out. They no go stop look and say, oh, who this thing broke here, oh, we go immediately send water board people to go and repair it so that water can be running in the tap. You no go see such a thing. No. Their own is, even if you no comot for road, police and army and mopo wey follow them, then go carry cane like this, wipe your ass. Next time if you hear pura 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 tam, you will run away. You see am? You will run and carry your shoe, throw away that bucket where you take come fetch water inside gutter. You go throw am, fling am away. You see am? So na those things na dey vex this girl. She never talk finish o. Ha ha ha. You never talk finish o. I hear this one, this one do me gam nanting. This one do me gam in my ear. E just sound like a bell banging inside my ear. I say, really? Police stole her brother's shoes and watch, and she was telling the person that was asking her questions. The journalist that was asking her questions. So more things are coming. So you people, you have to learn in a very hard way this time. You see, Kemi is on her way to teach you people the highest lesson of your life, so that you guys will try your best to provide basic amenities to Nigerians, to the children, because you never know what those children will be tomorrow. No light, no water, no nothing, no road, everything, hardship everywhere. Hardship everywhere. They just carry division, carry ethnic bigotry, carry religion, carry it divide Nigerians. They just carry it divide Nigerians. If you be woman, you know they tie a jab on top of your head. They go mosque every Friday. You are not a believer. You are not. You are infidel. Yeah, you are infidel. If you are a Christian, you know they speak in tongue. You know they speak in tongue. You are not a true Christian. That one they will say you are a church goer or you are unbeliever. You see, they carry religion and ethnic bigotry. Take it, divide the country. Somebody, a leader, used his mouth and said Nigerian youths are lazy, whereby they are the ones, those leaders are the ones that are the highest lazy people on earth. Lazy plus. If there is any name they call lazy plus in English, that's what they are. Because none of them have done any work to say, oh, this is what I have done. Some will say they are military people without entering school, primary school, secondary school, not to talk of university. You see, you are military. Which war have they fought? Biafran war. That is the only thing you can boast of. You see, that is the only thing the person can boast of, that you are now sitting on top of Nigerian treasury money, sitting on top of taxpayers' money all through your life and your family, and now you call yourself a strong man, that you are not a lazy man. Who does that? Who does that? You see, you call the youth lazy people. Go all over the world. Nigerians all over the world are the best. Nigerians all over the world, go and check their record. Okay, it's only when you start buying people's talent back home, the person will not become anything in your eyes. But immediately, the person managed to escape through that symphysis pubis, called Nigeria. Then the person's green will be greening. The greener pasture will be greening. Okay? Then you'll be hearing that person's name on television, on TV, on everywhere, on papers, newspaper, on Forbes, on CNN, on BBC. You'll be hearing the person's name. Now, you'll be in your parlor where you are enjoying Nigerian taxpayers' money, and you'll be watching TV and you'll be seeing Nigerians doing very well abroad. Then now you want to go and hug them. They say no, stay, abeg, keep your distance. Keep your distance. I don't need it. The time I needed it, you did not give it to me. The time I needed this closeness most, nobody came to help me. Nobody came to rescue me. Nobody provided basic education for me. Nobody provided light for me to read with ease. Nobody provided good road for me. Common security. Common security. You don't even have your faith. You don't know what tomorrow will entail. Every time you will be under fear. You will be, who knows if you will even live to see the end of tomorrow. That is how people are living in Nigeria right now. Everything I'm saying here is allegedly. You see? Allegedly. You will be sleeping. Your one eye will be open. You will be afraid of, you never know. Fear of unknown. Fear of unknown. That's what they turn Nigeria to be. Now, you want the girl now to praise you people that when she was growing up, it was roses for her. Una never start. Make una no start now to fix Nigeria. No start now to fix Nigeria, because you never know another Kemi, the one wey go pass am, wey go come up tomorrow. Because this Gen Z you people are seeing, na Gen Z go fix Nigeria. The way I'm looking at it, because these Gen Z people, they no send though. They no send. If una no know, they no send. If you give Nigeria to this Gen Z generation, they will fix it within 1 month. Try it them and see. Because they know more than you people. This archaic people, log of woods. They carry log of wood, fill the whole position in Nigeria. That is why everything is stagnant. That is why everything is stagnant. Nothing is moving. Instead of moving, in fact, it will be deteriorating. You see? Nigeria those days, people are yearning of Nigeria those days, not Nigeria of today. And if you go to other countries abroad, their today is better than their yesterday. But Nigeria, our yesterday is better than our today. Is it a good thing? Before, we don't have insecurity any part of Nigeria before. We don't have it. You will travel from the eastern part of Nigeria, western part of Nigeria, to northern part of Nigeria with ease. With any means you want to use, go. If you want to use leg, you use leg, go. Nothing will happen to you on the road. If you want to use Okada, there was a time some people use bicycle to travel to Lagos from east. Some use Okada to travel to Lagos by road. You know, when they reach halfway, they stop and sleep, rest. The next day, they continue. Maybe before 1 week, they will get to Lagos. But they will get to their destination on hot. Now, try it. Even with motor. Hey, never start. Try it. Even with motor. You will have your hand on your heart, your heart on your hand, praying that God, please let me see evening today as I enter this bus. You see, when Davido talk, Kemi talk, you people will come out and start spilling spit everywhere. start pouring spit on the microphone, talking what we don't understand. Now, plan your way to fix the country so that it will favor everybody, even the unborn children. So that people wey dey japa no go japa. So that all this brain drain, we will utilize them in Nigeria here. You know, all this brain drain, we will harness it and we will use them. They will be useful for us in our country. But now, you people are still doing what you are doing. The other day, the news flying everywhere said that some people in government, they printed the brand new money, moving it abroad. Hi, in the country that look like this, that is when you will. They now came out and refute the allegation. They debunk it, say it didn't happen. But finally now, you will see that it happened, because there's no smoke without fire in Nigeria, and there is nothing people rumor that will finally no be true. See last time the rumor say, hey, Senate approve Tinubu to buy new private jets. They say it's not true. Senate did not approve it. But now Tinubu is with a private jet. How did he come? They never told us they approve it, but now he's already flying it, which means they even approve things in absentia. They approve it before they use the money to buy something before they will give approval. You see, they're doing things on their own. Don't mind. They don't never mind whatever the country, however the country will be. You see. So those are the things that are causing this kind of talk Sister Kemi is talking now. These are the reasons why Kemi is saying all this. I beg you people, day your day, make I day my day. Day your day, make I day my day. That side where I day okay for me. I don't already suffer hell. I don't already suffer, and manage to survive and japa back to my country. So make una do una day, make I day my day. So wetin dey wrong about that? Why una dey respond to her? Why una dey respond to her? Leave her alone. You see una wan go identify with her now. That time wey she dey Lagos, from that time wey her mother born her finish, carry am come back to Nigeria, where she dey Surulere for 16 years. Una no know her and no identify with her. Na today wey she dey that Lagos, I think say Tinubu dey live for Lagos. Shettima dey come Lagos every time. Abike Dabiri dey come Lagos every time. Abi her office dey for Lagos sef. All these politicians, they all have offices in Lagos. They have in Abuja and Lagos. You see and this girl have been living in that Lagos for 16 years. So which means the time where Tinubu be governor of Lagos State, that girl still dey Lagos. She never go UK. You see una no know am that time. If had it been that una fix light, she for use light na. That time she for feel una impact. If say una fix water, she for feel una impact. If say Lagos road dey good, buses dey, if you want to go anywhere, you dey go for Lagos. You no go spend one day going from place to place. If you want to go now from Ojo-Elegba to Yaba, you may spend a whole day on the road. You never reach because of traffic jam. You see, because of the nature of the road network. Now she suffer all these things finish, and she's telling her story. Somebody is coming to now tell her, you can as well give up your name, Kemi. Kemi, is it Nigerian? Is it ABCD? That is the ABCD is the meaning of Kemi. Kemi is Kemi, right? That is ABCD. Nigeria is not the owner of ABCD. Okay? Why will she give up her name? For what? Her name is ABCD, and anybody can use ABCD as her name. All right? Leave her alone and focus on the road network in Nigeria. That light she said that she used candle. Go and fix Nigeria lights. That's what you people are supposed to start doing immediately. If you want to respond to Kemi, start fixing those things she pointed out. Start fixing those things. My people, I go leave una here now for this one. But if they make am talk more, we go come back and analyze am more. If they make Sister Kemi talk more, once we hear any other water wey she give them, we go still come back here, talk am and analyze it with you people, okay? But for now, make we end am here for now till next time, okay? Yeah, thank you for watching up till now. So if una never subscribe, abeg make you hit that subscribe button and subscribe. Like this video, share the video, make e go far so that e go reach them, make dem hear what people are saying, wey Nigerian people dey talk. So we no dey lazy at all, na dem na im dey lazy. So this Kemina don confirm am say Nigerian youths no dey lazy. Na those people wey dey for government, wey sit on our taxpayers money, sit on our treasury account, na those people na dem dey lazy. This one e don confirm am. Thank you people for watching up till now. Share this video, make e reach them, make they hear what Nigerians are also saying, for the reaction wey dem dey react, for the truth wey Sister Kemi is talking about, for her truth, for what she experienced in life. That is the story she is telling, you know. So and she's saying nothing but the truth. All right, so it's even better now. Let her tell the whole world that, see how Nigeria is, see how we are living. The people inside Nigeria are not enjoying the world. Okay, so we really need help. Those people that are coming, running to different countries, borrowing money that they use it to help Nigeria, they should ask them which people did they use that money to help, because the people they are using their names to come and borrow the money, they are suffering a lot. Okay guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.